Welcome back everyone. We are going to be installing Kali Linux using VirtualBox today. Before that, let's check the minimum requirements for running Kali Linux. For RAM, the minimum requirement is 2 GB, but 4 GB is recommended. For storage, 20 GB is the minimum requirement but 40 GB is recommended, 2 CPU cores, and the extension pack. If you don't know how to install the extension pack, check this video. We're going to download the Kali Linux ISO image file, link in description. You can choose either bare metal or virtual machines. We're going to use bare metal, so click on it and then click download. After downloading the ISO image file, open VirtualBox and then click New. Type the name of the virtual machine. You can change the location if you want to. Change the type to Linux and choose Debian, 64-bit, as the version, and click Next. We are going to give it 2 GB of RAM, but 4 or higher is recommended. Click Next. Leave it as Create a virtual hard disk now and click Create. VirtualBox disk image is good, so click Next. Leave it as dynamically allocated and click Next. We're giving it 20 GB of storage, but anything higher than that is better. We're gonna make some changes to the settings. Make sure it's selected and go to Settings. Under System, we're going to increase the number of processors. This will make it run smoothly. Go to Display and increase the video memory for better experience. Go to Storage and click Empty. This is where we'll add the ISO image file we downloaded, so select it from its directory and click Open. After that, click OK and click Start at the top to launch it. We'll be doing the graphical installation, so select it and press Enter on the keyboard. We are going to leave the language as English and press Continue. For the location, we'll be leaving it as United States or change it to any location you want and click Continue. Leave the keyboard as American English or change it if you want to, then click Continue. For the host name, you can put whatever you want there, but we'll leave it as default and press Continue. Domain name will be left blank and press Continue. Type the name of the user. It'll use it as the username and click Continue. Set up the password and click Continue. Now, select the time zone for the clock configuration and click Continue. We will leave this as default and click Continue. We'll select the first option and click Continue. We are going to use all-in-one partition, so click Continue. Click on Finish Partitioning and click Continue. Select Yes and press Continue. It is going to install the operating system, so we'll skip to the next step. We will leave all this options as default and press Continue to install the packages. Choose Yes and click Continue. We're going to select the second option and click Continue. After the installation is complete, we're going to click on Continue for it to reboot into the operating system.